If you want to make the right decisions in your life, you need this word. In today's Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have for you məlumat. Məlumat. Məlumat is information, data, details. Let's see. Request information, collect data, give details. Məlumat istəmək. İstəmək is to ask, to want. The right translation, request information. Məlumat toplamaq. Topla, collect data. Ətraflı məlumat vermək. Give details. See, information, məlumat, but details is more than that information. That's why we added here ətraflı, like additional. Vermək, to give. Let's use these in some sentences. Zəhmət olmasa, hesabım barədə mənə məlumat verin. Please provide the information about my account. Let's break it down. Zəhmət olmasa, this one we learned in the beginning of our journey. This is please. Hesabım barədə, about my account. Hesab, account. Hesabım, my account. About, barədə. There's also another word, haqqında, but this one fits here better. Hesabım barədə. Mənə, to me, basically. Məlumat verin, provide information. Zəhmət olmasa hesabım barədə mənə məlumat verin. This is your go-to when you call or go to bank. Let's see another one. Layihə üçün məlumat topladıq. We collected data for the project. You want it to be successful, you need to collect. Let's see. Break it down. Layihə is the project. Üçün, for the project. Topladıq. Guess what? The sentence doesn't have we because it doesn't need one. The action word toplamak, topladıq, it has it. Dık, g. That means we did it. Toplamak, collect. Topladıq, we collected. Layihə üçün məlumat topladıq. That was my way of using məlumat in Azerbaijani sentences. I have another fun and easier one for you. I asked for məlumat, but I got a 3-hour monologue. Sometimes you get this when you call banks to get some information and they try to sell you extra stuff that they have. All right, that was today's word, another real world use case for the new word. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new one. Until then, check my masterazerbaijan.com where I post blogs for every 10 days. Cheers.